If you're looking to film some of your bike adventures and don't want the hassle or the expense of buying multiple cameras, then the new Insta360 One RS might just be the thing you're looking for. Now, the reason this could be your one-stop shop for capturing bike footage is essentially it's 3 cameras rolled into one. Its modular setup means that it can go from action cam to 360 cam to cinematic camera just with the simple switch of the lens. Now, I think there's a lot to be said for the modularity of this system. It's small and compact. You don't have loads of stuff to be able to switch over. You're not carrying multiple cameras, so you can pack quite light. And if you don't need multiple cameras to film at the same time, then I think this is actually an excellent solution. The first thing you'll probably notice on the new One RS is the 4K boost lens. It features a 1/2 inch sensor, which is twice the size of the original R. A bigger lens obviously means more light can be captured and thus dynamic range and quality is improved. And the new boost lens does a better job of retaining detail and colours, and it's also better in low light conditions. If you want to take photos, then this camera allows you to shoot 48 megapixel images. For an action cam, I have to say that the stills on this are very good and produce very usable results. So the bigger lens offers better colour, detail and image quality, but the RS also has a new processor which speeds things up. A neat trick is the fact that you can now zoom digitally, obviously, whilst recording. When it comes to the 360 side of filming, I'll be completely honest and say there's actually no difference between the two cameras. The 360 mod lens is identical and it uses the same sensor. You still get 5.7K footage at 30 frames per second as the max resolution. So if you already own the 360 One R and shoot predominantly 360 footage, then I can't see any reason why you would want to change to the One RS. One element where I think Insta360 have made big changes is in the case. The new hinged end is much neater and it's easier to release than the old hinged mechanism on the top. It makes the case less bulky and allows the use of accessories to be placed on top. There are some great accessories too. The external mic mod is a big improvement on the old one, as it allows both a mic and a power cable to be connected at the same time.
So now I've got a mic adapter plugged into it, and I'm using the same Rode lav that I use with the GoPro, with the visor open. This is with the visor closed, so hopefully it should be a little bit clearer. A little bit noisy on the wind with this helmet because I've got the screen down at its lowest position. Let's see if that makes a little bit of a difference. So as I said at the beginning, it is an incredibly flexible system. I've come out today, I've got the Insta360 mounted on the helmet. I brought the microphone adapter with me, and I bought the 360 lens module as well, and I just shoved that in my pocket. So no need to bring a second camera. And in a little while I'm going to stop and switch and put the 360 module on and do some 360 filming.
The quick reader mod that was recently released for the R also works on the RS. It plugs into the side USB port of the camera and allows the micro SD card to be inserted into the mod rather than the camera body. Once you finish shooting, the quick reader is unplugged and can be inserted straight into your phone with the lightning adapter. This means being able to instantly transfer footage without the need for a Wi-Fi connection. Having said that though, the new processor on the One RS does offer 50% faster Wi-Fi transfers. The One RS is a bigger battery, which should offer 20% more recording time, and it also has an additional microphone and improved software to capture better sound. So if you're looking for an all-in-one camera to work as an action cam, to shoot 360 videos, and also possibly cinematic style film as well as stills, then the Insta360 One RS is a very good option. The One RS Twin Edition, which includes both lenses, the 4K boost and the 360, retails at $499.99. The standalone kit with just the 4K boost lens is $279.99, and if you want to add the 1-inch lens, that's an additional $279.99 on its own. However, Insta360 do often have promotional deals and bundles and discounts, so I'll put the latest deal in a link in the description down below, and just keep an eye on that from time to time, because I'll try to change that as and when new deals come through. But if you're interested in a camera, definitely worth clicking on the link down below.
And I've just been impressed with the build quality of the Insta360s. I've not had any technical issues with them. The software is very good. The software on the phone and the iPad is excellent, easy to connect to the cameras. I've had no issues with any of that. And the Insta360 Studio is very easy to use, and I've got a separate video on that. I'll put a link up in the top corner of the screen to take you away to show you how to edit.
I only wanted this to be a quick overview because there's so much in this and so much that this camera can do that I didn't want to end up doing a 30 or 45-minute video just to go through each one of those bits of tech. So what I can do is drill down in another video into more detail on some of the aspects, and if there's anything that you want to know, you want to see, or you want to find out how it can work, then let me know in the comment section and I'll try to round those up and wrap those up into a future video. If you've got any questions, again, let me know in the comment section down below, and all that leaves me to say is until next time, thanks for watching, take care, ride safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.